I'm Rikus, and this is very shortly to show polymorphism in C++ through the use of an example. Polymorphism, in a nutshell, is when inherited functions are overridden. That's it.
Let's get right into the example by creating a new project. First off, you want to define a class. We'll call it shape. This will be our base class, and it'll have one function that prints the name of the class to the console.
Now let's define a class called circle that is derived from the class shape.
Circle inherits the printing function from shape. To override the printing function, you simply define another function with exactly the same name, the same amount and type of parameters. In our case, none, because there's no parameters, there's no return type.
Finally, we implement a simple use case.